Have you ever contemplated the critical role a simple comb plays in our daily routine? This modest instrument, often overlooked, silently carries out wonders, from detangling our hair to stimulating our scalp and ultimately shaping our overall looks. Yet, do you ever pause to think about the unique voyage a comb undertakes before it lands in your hand? The is truly captivating, so let's go on an intriguing expedition into the realm of comb production. Diving deep into the history of comb production, we find the initial stage involved the careful selection of material. Tracing back to the historical times, combs were from natural substances like bone, wood, and ivory, each carrying their unique appeal. A transition, however, is evident in the present day, where the majority of combs are fashioned from plastic. This shift is attributable to the durability and cost-effectiveness that plastic offers, making it a favored choice in our contemporary society. We commence the process with the transformation of plastic into miniature, consistent structures called pellets. This conversion occurs via a process of sorting, washing, shredding, melting, and finally reshaping the plastic into these homogeneous pellets. Once we have these pellets, the next step is to expose them to heat until they relinquish their solid state and melt into a liquid form. This heating process involves the careful application of controlled heat to ensure the plastic doesn't burn, but achieves a perfect liquefied state. It's this molten plastic that serves as the fundamental raw material for our combs, ready to be molded into diverse shapes and sizes as per the design specifications. Following this, the fiery liquid plastic is channeled into a shaping apparatus known as a molding machine. Herein, a metallic mold with the intricate silhouette of a comb silently awaits. The searing plastic seeps into every hidden crevice and corner of this mold, gradually conforming to its detailed structure. This fascinating process, referred to as injection molding, is an extensively used technique in the fabrication of a broad range of plastic merchandise, not restricted to combs alone. The plastic, once it has completely filled the mold, undergoes a crucial cooling stage. This is where it is given the time to solidify and convert from a molten to a sturdy, solid structure within the mold. Once the plastic has sufficiently hardened and adopted the shape of a comb, it is then discarded from the mold. However, it's not prepared to glide through your tresses just yet. The comb then embarks on the journey of finishing. In this stage, any rough edges that might have formed during the molding process are carefully smoothed out. Following this, the comb is polished meticulously until it achieves a lustrous shine, signaling the end of its production process. Once the combs are made, each one undergoes a meticulous examination for quality control. Trained inspectors carefully check each tooth of the comb for any irregularities or flaws. They ensure the comb's durability, structural integrity, and aesthetic qualities are up to the mark. If a comb fails to meet these stringent standards, it's considered defective. These defective combs are immediately segregated from the batch, ensuring only the best quality remain. This process is carried out with precision and a commitment to delivering a product that's as close to perfection as possible. After the sorting process, the combs that pass muster are prepped for packaging. They are carefully placed in protective packaging to keep them safe during transit. Once packaged, they are loaded onto vehicles and shipped off to stores around the globe. Whether you're in Paris, New York, Tokyo, or any other city, these combs are ready to make their way into your bathroom, purse, or grooming kit, delivering quality and style wherever they go. In summary, the birth of a comb starts with humble plastic pellets. These tiny particles are then subjected to intense heat, transforming them into a molten state. This melted plastic is then injected into a specially crafted mold that bears the shape of a comb. Post-injection, the heated plastic is allowed to cool and harden, taking the form of the mold. Once hardened, the newborn comb is ejected from its mold and moved on to the next stage, where it goes through a finishing process and is finely polished. A rigorous control stage follows, ensuring each comb meets the high standards set. Finally, these finished combs are carefully packaged and dispatched to stores, ready to be picked up by consumers. The next time you reach for a comb, pause for a moment to reflect on the remarkable journey it has undertaken. From its humble beginnings as insignificant plastic pellets to its transformation into a useful tool that enhances your appearance, it truly is an extraordinary process. This is a testament to the marvels of modern manufacturing. So let's not dismiss the humble comb as just another everyday item, but rather celebrate its extraordinary story.